Hello guys, welcome back to On the Job with Chris. And today I have another garbage disposal video for you. I wanted to just show you a quick tip about what you can do to test how strong your garbage disposal is. So if you have some ice like this, you can put it in the sink on the disposal part right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the water on, and then I'm gonna hit the switch right here. Just gonna turn the disposal on. What it's gonna do is take the ice down in there. Particles to go down and dispose it. So this is what you want to do. And all the ice is gone. And you can hear how strong you sound. Take this out. And then another thing that I like to do, I like to grab some WD-40. I like to grab some WD-40, and what I like to do is I like to spray this inside of the disposal, because what WD-40 do to the garbage disposal is it lubricates the metal inside the garbage disposal, so it won't get stuck as much as it would if you just let the metal dry out and get rusty. So what you're gonna wanna do is get you some of this WD-40 right here, and it's gonna prevent squeaks in your disposal and corrosion and all of that. You're gonna spray some of this in there real good, and then you're gonna turn the water on and get this in there. So, you know what I'm saying? So you can like balance it out. Water plus oil, you know what I'm saying? I know they say it don't mix, but to me, it works wonders. I don't know. See? Now it sounds powerful, it's clean, it's good. So without further ado, make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe, man. I got more content coming every day. I love uploading videos of me working and me getting things done. This is what I do. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. I appreciate it all. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everything. God bless.